I'm Kavya. I'm representing Sunita Jewels. Basically, I'm designing here. Sunita Jewels is basically a company which is working from past 15 years. We're into manufacturing as well as wholesaling, and we're into designing of jewelry also. Apart from this, the main purpose of having it in exhibition is we get this publicity also. At the same time, we reach out to people who want actually the finest designer jewelries. Apart from this, what our future plans is to obviously be into wholesaling and get more deeper into it, and moreover get into retailing also at the same time. See, in 5 years, though there were recession time and all, everybody expected that this might go down, the craze of jewelry. But what I personally feel is this is not at all going down, because people who are crazy about jewelry is something which will always keep on going, because it's a luxury as well as an accessorizing thing which is important to everybody's life. And from this exhibition, as I told, we get a very good response. Because as I told you, it gives publicity also to you. At the same time, it helps in it gives a platform to your business altogether. Response to the customer, see the kind of relation we have developed with our customers in 15 years. This itself shows how much they like our jewelry. More than selling and buying it, it's more of a personal relation with them now. It's not because we deliver them not only jewelry but also satisfaction to what they are buying. They get value, the worth of what they are buying. Yeah, we are into kundans, polkis, temple jewelry as well as into diamonds. So basically, I have all wide varieties of jewelry, and the special thing about this is it's all into wholesale prices. About the future plan, see, as I told you, we are into wholesaling. We are definitely gonna get deeper into it, and we're gonna soon start export also. We have our own office in Begumpet, so we have our own manufacturing over there. For this year, see, as of now, we are doing the same thing what we have been doing, but this exhibition, obviously, we have fetched a lot of customers again, and they have really liked our jewelry, our designs, and the kind of response we have given to them. So we're expecting, many more customers into our business.